Right now, somewhere in the world, an AI is buying and selling stocks for someone, and that person hasn't opened their laptop in 3 days. No, this isn't science fiction. This is happening right now, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why banks are terrified of it. Let's talk about autonomous agent networks, the technology that might replace your entire investment portfolio manager. Okay, quick question. When was the last time you actually checked your investments? Last week? Last month? Never? Here's the problem. Markets move every second. News breaks at 3 a.m. A tweet can crash a stock in minutes. And you? You're asleep, at work, living your life. Humans simply can't keep up anymore. So what's the solution? Not one AI. A whole network of them. What are agent networks? Simple explanation. Imagine hiring a tiny team of digital employees. One agent's only job? Scan global news 24/7 for anything that could affect your stocks. Another agent tracks your risk tolerance, how much loss you can actually stomach. A third agent analyzes historical patterns, like a chess grandmaster who's memorized every game ever played. And a fourth? It actually executes the trades, buying, selling, rebalancing, instantly. They don't sleep. They don't panic. They don't get greedy after a lucky win. They just work. Together. Nonstop. Real-world example. This isn't hypothetical, by the way. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront already automate basic investing. But that's just level 1. The next generation, agent networks, is what firms like BlackRock and hedge funds are quietly experimenting with. Multiple AI models, each with a specialized job, negotiating and collaborating like a mini investment firm. Think of it like a Formula One pit crew. One person changes tires, another fuels the car, another checks the engine, all happening in seconds, perfectly coordinated. Now imagine that pit crew managing your retirement fund. Here's the real question though. Is this exciting or terrifying? Because on one hand, imagine never missing an opportunity again. No emotional decisions. No panic selling during a crash. No FOMO buying at the peak. But on the other hand, would you trust a machine with your life savings? What happens when the algorithm is wrong? Who's accountable then? This is the tension nobody's talking about, and it's coming faster than you think. What's coming next? Future pacing. Experts predict that within the next 5 years, everyday investors, not just billionaires, will have access to these agent networks. Your portfolio manager might soon be an app that quietly rebalances your investments based on your life, not just the market. Got a new baby? It adjusts your risk. Buying a house in 3 years? It shifts your strategy automatically. This isn't just automation. It's personalization at a scale humans could never achieve. So here's my question for you. Would you let an AI manage your money completely on autopilot? Or does that terrify you? Drop a comment below, yes or no way. I read every single one. And if this blew your mind even a little, hit subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down the exact AI tools already being used by hedge funds before Wall Street wants you to know about them. See you in the next one.